painkiller.
Good afternoon again, Star Nation. You're still listening right here on Star FM. Star friends, in the Philippines, October is indeed designated as both Museums and Galleries Month, or MGM, and National Indigenous Peoples Month. MGM was proclaimed in 1991 to promote awareness and pride in the month's cultural heritage, while National Indigenous Peoples Month was declared in 2009 to honor and protect the rights and contributions of indigenous cultural communities. And that's our Star Trivia for this hour. More of your favorite songs on It's All For You the Afternoon, kaya tutok pa rin right here on Star FM.
San Miguel Pelpilsen presents Usa, Duha, Tawa. Unsay tawag sa bir nga naurot?
Kamalokos tumagana, di sa beer!
Eksakto, palipat na Usa. Drink responsibly. Ang San Miguel Pelpilsen, 320 ml, 45 SR tira. Ang Grande, 115 SR tira. Palit na. Drink responsibly.
Serving the Philippines and the world with music and information. Broadcasting from Davao, 96.3